Yan, ano masabi mo yan? Yes, sir! So yeah guys, nandito kami ngayon. Manonood kami ng Tiger Cats versus ano? Sino yung kalaban? Punta tayo dun. Punta tayo dun malapit. Tara, punta tayo sa taas.
Yeah, boy.
Yes, sir! What do you say about the game?
Oh my God!
We're doing a good
It's
job.
so good of a
Did you see
game.
the touchdown, buddy. I mean,
And I saw they took the one touchdown in
pretty
there. They
fabulous
was,
work. And check out the flywire camera. Incredibly impressive.
and I should
What's
say
your
him.
name? What's your name?
My name's Michael.
Michael, nice to meet you, Michael.
Mike.
Jordan, Mike.
Jordan, Justin, nice to meet you guys. How many beers do you have now?
Oh,
This is
two.
beer two. This is beer two.
I'm on three.
I don't normally have more than three, so this is a bit crazy.
How much is
Crazy
it?
night. Oh, I mean, how much?
Yeah.
Too much.
2 bars.
Would you recommend it?
I knew he'd say that.
I said it was too much, but we did it.
I knew he'd say that.
Bought them, and we're fine with it. But we're probably not gonna have any more. But maybe we will. But shh, don't tell him.
Did
I
my
might
mom
buy
get
him
the
one.
videotape for this?
I might buy him a beer.
Send me the tape so I can show my mom.
I might buy him a beer.
Thank you,
Hey,
Justin.
shout out. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
Shout out to these guys, eh?
Shout out
Sign
to
out.
you guy, buddy guy.
Yes, sir.
Thank you,
Take care.
Tiger Cats.
Yes, sir.
Love it.
Shit.
Where can we find this videotape?
Oh, YouTube.
Okay, what?
So guys, kita nyo naman. Kita nyo naman kung paano maganda yung mga puti. Diba? Baliw na baliw sila dito. Yan, saying? Ano nasabi mo yan?
Wala.
Ano nasabi mo dyan?
Hindi pa tayo nanonood. Mag-umpisa na.
Yan, punta tayo dun sa pinakamataas, guys. Okay lang yan. So, kung makikita nyo, ang daming tao talaga, guys. You know what I'm saying? They're going crazy for football. So, punta tayo sa taas. Damn! Look at that. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see that? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're going upstairs. We're going upstairs. Should we get a beer? Ano, kuha tayo beer? Kuha tayo beer? Ano? Ako kuha ako beer. Just kuha ako beer.
Okay na ako.
So guys, bibili ako ng beer. Ikaw yan, bibili ako beer? Let's go. Kuha kami ng beer, guys. Tignan natin dito kung saan tayo makakuha ng beer, you know what I'm saying? Kita nyo naman, guys, they're going crazy for football, you know? You see that? Yes, sir. Saan kaya tayo makakuha ng beer dito? Excuse me. Can I get the Canadian beer? The Canadian. Yeah. That's all for me. Alright. Boston Canadian. You already know. Josh, ano masabi mo, Josh? Yes, sir! So, nakita nyo, daming tao talaga. So yun guys, kakatapos lang natin kumuha ng beer. Kasama si Ian, ayaw mag-beer ni Josh. So, after natin mag-stop by sa beer, papunta na tayo sa taas, you know what I'm saying? So, let's go. Samahan nyo kami pumunta sa taas. So guys, kung nakikita nyo, dyan tayo nang galing sa harap, papunta na tayo sa taas. You already know. Yan na guys. Hell yeah! Oh shit! Woo! Yung kalaban nila. Guys, kung nakikita nyo. Nasa ano tayo, nasa likod tayo ng stadium guys. You know what I'm saying? May mararamdaman mo dito yung breeze ng hangin kasi nasa taas na tayo. Y'all can see that. Hey, welcome to City of Hamilton. You already know. So yun guys, dito na tayo po pwesto. Papasok na tayo dito guys. Y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? Yes sir.
Nice hand for Jamal Peters, the injured tight cat on the play.
Si Kuyo, cameraman. Yun guys, nakita na tayo ng spot. What was that?
Pass complete to Sneed. Deshaun Ayers with the tackle.
So dito tayo guys, number 19, 18. Random chairs. You know what I'm saying? Yes sir! So guys, enjoy lang tayo habang nanonood. You know what I'm saying? Oh my days, that's a touchdown.
Intercept.
Oh, intercept? Oh yeah? So guys, kung nakikita nyo, great team tayo, you know what I'm saying? And hindi ko alam kung sino ba kalaban nila. Oh, Montreal. So Hamilton versus Montreal right now. And then, as you can see, are we up? 8-4, so we're up. Let's see if I can zoom it in. Yun, malabo guys. Pero we're up. It's actually, right now is 8-4. So lamang tayo guys. Second quarter, you already know. So no, nakikita nyo guys, ganun sila mag-ano sa TV. 3 points lang. Yeah. Nakikita nyo, meron silang hanging camera, you know, as you can see. So from there to there, and then on the other sides, you know, that's how they filmed it.
Wala pa nila.
Yes sir! Yes sir! Yes sir! Good catch, boy! We got it. We got it. Ooh! They about to fight. Hell yeah! Hell yeah!
Ang kalaban nila, undefeated, 3-0.
Montreal, yung kalaban ng Tiger Cats ngayon is 3-0, and then yung Tiger Cats is 0-2. So, you know, they gotta win this game, you know. Them boys is undefeated, but you know what I'm saying? Oblong yung bola. Kaya, oblong yung bola, guys. Kaya nga bulin yan, you know what I'm saying? Guys, yan yung iniintay ni Josh. Ayan talaga yung pinunta niya dito eh. You know what I'm saying? Ayan talaga yung pinupunta ni Josh dito eh. Ayun o. Ayun o. Naku po. Yari tayo kay Josh. Gusto pa daw lumapit ni Ian. Yari ka. Yari ka yan. Ala ka.
Lapit na may mukha nito.
Ay, sabi pa ni Josh, lapit pa daw yung mukha oh. Ala ka.
Mukha sabi ko ang mga boss.
Kita niyo yan guys.
Yung mga gago rin, lagi ng mga team leader. Mga player.
Ikaw nga din Josh eh. Natingin ka nga din eh.
Ang papangit nila eh. Ayun dapat din ito eh.
Pag playoffs guys, manonood kami ulit. You know what I'm saying?
Siguro may team yun, Toronto eh.
Tayo nyo. Yung factory doon guys ng Hamilton. Nagsi-celebrate din kasi may Tiger Cats na laban ngayon. Yeah.
Oh, libre!
Okay.
Mag-slide siya dun oh. Libre sa amin.
Dati player talaga to ng Tiger Cats si Josh, you know. Maaga lang siya nag-retire, no? Josh, ba't maaga kang nag-retire, Josh?
Wala, din eh. Masyado ako malakas eh. Overpowered. Kailangan na nakita na quarterback, running back ba?
Oh.
Receiver.
Kailan ba nakita guys? Ngayon nyo lang nakita.
Ako lang yung quarterback na nire-receive ko sarili kong pasa.
So guys, kung tatanungin nyo ako,
Hindi yata player, di ba?
tumatama na yung beer. Ano dyan siya na?
Sa isang team may 50 yung player.
Hindi ko lang alam. Bilangin natin. Nice one!
Good shot!
Touchdown! Touchdown! Yay! Touchdown, boy! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! We got those! We got those! You already know! You already know! You already know! Touchdown! You already know! Hey, who number that? What jersey number is that? Hell yeah! Hell yeah! He got it! You guys, kung makikita nyo, replay. Yes, sir! He got those, bro! What's that, 49? Yes, sir, 49. Too easy! Too easy, 49! You already know. See that smoke? We smoke that! You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Yan na guys. Dumating na naman yung inaabangan ni Josh. Yan o. Yan o. Kung nakikita nyo guys. Yan talaga yung inaabangan ni Josh eh. Yan talaga yung pinunta niya dito eh. Yan o.
Nagawa.
Tignan mo naman. Sinumin ba talaga? That's crazy. Kita mo naman yung mga galawan ni Josh, guys. Alam niyo na. Mang mapapatayo na naman tayo dito ah. Oh! Oh! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Tinambakan! Tinambakan! Alam niyo na! Tinambakan! Wala na! Wala na, guys! Mukha yung magiging 3-1 na yung Montreal, guys! 3-1 na ba? 3-1 na ba? Agay-agay!
8 minutes pa.
8 minutes pa? Wala na yan. Agay-agay. Ano masabi mo doon, Josh, sa touchdown?
Hindi ka pa nagaw.
Muntikan pa na agaw, guys.
Alanganin eh, alanganin.
Alangan pa na, sabi ni Josh. Ano masabi mo yan?
Prediction ngayon, nakuha talaga.
Prediction na rin. Yes, sir. Yeah, right, no?
Hindi ako sumakayo.
I'm not saying up. So, guys, baba lang tayo. Lang tayo, you know what I'm saying? Mag-a-unwind lang daw si Josh. Tsaka si Ian. Punta muna tayo washroom. I already know. Yun guys. Bibili muna kami hotdog. Guys, nakikita nyo, nasa TV na kami. Yeah, so, bibili kami hotdog guys. Tingnan natin kung magkano yung hotdog. Yun guys, so nakikita nyo yung downtown namin. Big buildings. Tignan mo. Kumikidlat pa eh, no? Nakikita mo kidlat? Damn. Damn. So guys, wala tayong nakitang hotdog dito. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa baba. Yan, no? You already know. Nabubulol na ako guys. May elevator? Yan guys, gamitin natin yung elevator. Mag-elevator talaga tayo? Okay. Let's try elevator. Para lang to sa may mga ano eh. Guys, nakikita nyo maganda yung pwesto dito. Saktong unwind lang kami dito guys. You already know. Yun o. Yun o. Yes sir. Shoutout nga pala kay Josh. Shoutout din kay Ian. You know. Ito yung mga kasama ko na nanonood ng Hamilton Tiger Cats ngayon. So, hope you guys enjoy though. You know what I'm saying? Hey! Yes, sir! Hell no! Oh! Incomplete! Incomplete, guys! You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. We got that. Then kung nakikita nyo guys, maraming insekto sa mga ilaw. Tsaka yung mga shoutout sa mga bus driver dyan, you know? Na huminto.
Kaya meron pa malaking insekto dito, you know.
Yan o. Malaking insekto ka daw yan. Oh. Woo! Third down, guys. Third down. Third down. Let's see how it goes. Masyadong maingay yung crowd. Oh, he caught that. Wow. Wow, he caught that. That's crazy. That's crazy cut. Shout out kay Josh. Thank you sa paghawak ng camera. You already know. Ano yan? Bata hotdog? Tara. Tara. Yan guys, baba lang kami.
Ang ina, kinuha ng Lakers ng gas.
So guys, kung nakikita nyo, meron din pool dito guys. Pwede tayo maglaro ng pool dito. Yeah. You know? See? Parang private area ata dito eh. You know? Parang, anong tawag dyan sa room na yan? See? There's some games in here. You already know. Parang, kailangan natin nila magbayad ng extra dyan, you know, kapag may family party kayo. You know what I'm saying? You guys can see here. You already know. Parang dead end na dito yun, guys. So, balik na tayo. Rarara. See? Meron tayong opportunity makita yung place dito. You already know. So, guys, kung nakikita nyo, nandito tayo sa shop ngayon, you know. Kung nakikita nyo, $100 din to. Tapos yung mga malalaki, damn, this guy. $220 plus tax pa. $140. Damn, tsaka custom made na bola dito ng Hamilton Tiger Cats. Meron din mga water bottles, may flag, may mga cups. Sa susunod guys, pag nanonood tayo, pag napasok yung Hamilton sa playoffs, bili tayo ng sombrero tapos susutin natin. You already know. So yeah. And guys, check na natin doon kung may hotdog. Tingnan natin. Yun lang guys, sarado na yung store. So, baka mamaya na lang tayo mag food trip. Kasama yung dalawa, tatapusin na lang natin yung game ngayon. Ilang minutes na lang ba? 3 minutes? 3 minutes lamang pa yung Tiger Cats. So, you already know. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Another touchdown. You already know. Yes, sir. Number 95. We got it. We got it.
Tingnan naman natin. Nag-fumble yung quarterback. Nag-video ko yung
Yes, sir. We got the win. We got the dub. Now let's go home. Time to go home, man. Let's go. 17-35. Yes, sir. sir. So, yun guys. Tapos na yung game. Hope you guys enjoy. Nag-enjoy kayo sa, sa vlog na to. Panalo yung H-Town. Panalo yung Tiger Cat. So, see you guys in the next video. You already know. Yes, sir.